Welcome to a quick overview of the Windows Graphical User Interface, or GUI. The Windows GUI is like the front door to your computer, giving you a visual way to interact with all its power. Imagine a world of windows, icons, and menus at your fingertips, making your computing experience a breeze. With the Windows GUI, you can easily navigate through your computer by clicking on icons right on your desktop. It's like having a personal assistant organizing your applications and files for you. And don't forget about the trusty taskbar at the bottom of your screen. It keeps track of all your open apps and gives you quick access to essential tools like the Start menu and System tray. But here's the fun part. Customizing your Windows experience is a piece of cake. Just head over to the Settings menu, where you can tweak system preferences to suit your style. From changing the wallpaper to adjusting display settings, the Windows GUI puts the power of personalization in your hands. So, next time you're navigating through your computer, remember that the Windows GUI is there to make your life easier and more intuitive. It's like having a digital playground where you're in control. And who doesn't love that? For more tech tips and tricks, make sure to stay tuned for more from Cyber Howler. Until next time, happy computing!